So why you gonna do it like that? Why you gonna keep that thing from me?
Okay, so me and Louis are at a hotel right now. Today is January 16th and it's my birthday. So we're gonna go out. I'm about to film and get ready with me because I wanted to film one. I don't know if I'm gonna film on Saturday because I'm going out again on Saturday. But I don't know if I'm gonna film myself getting ready, and I figured this is really good lighting in here, so I'll film a get ready with me. This is not a tutorial at all. I don't know what look I'm gonna do, or like, I don't know, it's gonna be real half-assed. I know that for sure. But I just want my like base to look good because I'm gonna go out Saturday. And I guess like you can say this is just like a practice makeup because I just recently picked up the Too Faced Born This Way foundation. I haven't used that since prom. I think prom was like the one and only time I used that foundation. So I wanted to use it for my birthday because I know everybody loves that foundation, and I wanted one that's a little more full coverage. So I picked that one up. I have my Monaco here. I'm legal now, y'all. I'm feeling that a little bit. I had a class today, but my mom was trimming my hair this morning because my goal, like everything I wanted done before my birthday was, or at least my birthday weekend, was to get my hair trimmed, dye it over again because a couple videos back I dyed my hair this color because it was like a blondish orange because it was really brassy. But I wanted to re-dye it because I figured might as well. I have to re-dye it anyways because there's a lot of brown spots like peeking back up. I hate like doing my makeup in places that's not my home because I feel like, I don't know, my mind is all over the place and I'm just not in my natural habitat. So it's like, I feel like I mess up more. Oh, excuse me. Okay. So just like, oh, wow. Like, I don't even know what look I'm trying to go for. I'm just doing something so I'm not sitting in a restaurant with bare ass eyes. And I couldn't find my tweezers, so my lashes are on like all stupid, but I had to use my fingers to apply them, which I don't know how people do that. If you can do that, props to you, because I definitely cannot. My eye makeup looks like crap, I'm sorry, but I'm just taking black eyeshadow and kind of just, I don't even know what I'm doing. I'm just trying to do something. I don't know. Did I do something? I don't know what I did, but primer. Take my e.l.f. primer because this is my favorites. My eyebrows aren't even, but whatever. I'm gonna take the Becca Backlight Primer, just a little bit, because I want to look a little illuminated today. Or tonight at least, I don't know. I like this primer, it makes me look really glowy. Okay, going in with the foundation that's way too dark for me. Or not way too dark, it's like slightly too dark. Too Faced Born This Way. I just purchased this because I wanted to have myself a nice like full coverage foundation for my birthday. And last time I wore this was like prom, I think. Okay, get this all over my face. Okay. Like this foundation, the shade is literally like a tad too dark. Like a damn tad. The rest of it's gonna be dark. No one's gonna see my foundation, or no one's gonna be able to see that it's too dark. Taking some Shapey tape. Well, no, this is definitely not my color. It's this one. I'm gonna take some Shapey tape because I want my under eyes to be those bags secured. Okay. Okay, gonna set underneath my eyes with the Maybelline powder because I stopped buying the Laura Mercier because it has, I don't know, everyone says it doesn't have flashback, but it most certainly does. I guess like it depends on how much you apply, but I can't bake with that, that's for damn sure. Actually, I shouldn't even be baking to begin with, but I bake anyways. I actually like to go in with my Milani Conceal and Perfect powder. This isn't the brush I like going in with. What the hell? And set the rest of my face. This makes my face look so flawless. Oh my god. Oh, make sure I blend it down our neck. Okay, lately my piercing has been pissing me off, my stud, because like it keeps like rotating, so like the stem is pointing out of my nose all the damn time, and that shit bothers me because it looks like I have a moco, and people are like, you have something in your nose. Like, you've never seen a nose piercing before, but I don't know. Plus I'm mocosa, as I said, so I can't even breathe, because if I breathe, my nose is gonna be dripping. Bronzer, Milani Baked bronzer, like I always do. I think this brush is from Vanity Planet. I know somebody commented like for me to do a brush collection. I was thinking about just doing a full-on like overall makeup collection, because I don't have a lot of brushes like to do a whole makeup like a brush collection, but I have a lot of makeup, so maybe I'll include that in my makeup collection. I don't know if that's something that people would want to see, but I'm definitely up for it if y'all are. So I feel like I look like a clown. Ugh, then I'm gonna take my Amrezy highlighter. This is a God sent gift. Oh my god, this highlighter is so bomb, y'all. If you have not gotten your hands on it, get your hands on it. It's such a beautiful, 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 like champagne-y gold highlight. It's very pigmented. Okay, so lining my lips. Nothing special with this. I'm probably gonna use the same lip gloss I always use. Okay. Gloss. Fenty Gloss. This shit is a hit. It's a really good gloss, don't get me wrong, but I feel like it doesn't really last very long, which is kind of a bummer because you pay 18 bucks to like constantly reapply it. But like the overall gloss is beautiful. This was a birthday gift to me, from me. Okay, I'm gonna put some eyeshadow underneath my eyes because that's a little bare. Okay, mascara, and I think I'll probably be done, so I can't get like a full-on view of my makeup right now. Plus I'm kind of rushing. Maybe it looks good, maybe it doesn't. Does it look good? Damn it. Okay, I think that's good. I brought all my makeup in a bag, so I'm about to close everything and throw everything. Just put it in the bag. Spray my face. Oh, I definitely inhaled that. Do we look okay? I definitely have to recurl that piece, but maybe right back. Okay. I'm not doing anything special like outfit wise. I think this is okay. Just real quick, recurl this piece. Now I'm gonna take my OGX Coconut Milk Anti-Breakage Serum, and I'm gonna use this to, I guess, like keep my hair looking shiny. Okay, I don't know if this is like the look I'm gonna do today, but just wearing this plain black v-neck from Fashion Nova, and I think my pants are from Fashion Nova too. This is the makeup look that I decided to go for. Nothing too crazy, but I think I'm done.
Got the Coke. Oh, that's not enough space. But we seriously gotta figure out where the ice is coming from.
Yeah, I think we have to go back out in the
It's a
hallway.
big thing for ice.
Yeah, we gotta go back into like the hallway or something.
Got the Sprite. She likes Sprite. I like Coke.
The battery acid. Did you see that meme?
What?
It said why McDonald's Sprite tastes like battery acid.
Wow. Her favorite. My favorite. We got the cup for the drink. I knew hotel pricing was. But babe, do you see this? This Fiji water. $4. I'm good. All this is untouched.
We got our own.
His
shit,
and hers.
girl.
We got his and hers.
Those are mine.
Cheetos. Cuando estamos bien pedo. We got the. It's for the Coke. And then for me, having a little. The rest of this handy.
Oh yeah, y'all. He's been 21. I'm a little late.
For her. Her faves.
My Monaco.
This is it for the fridge.
Zane, okay. So I just wanted to real quick get on here and kind of update you guys on what happened afterwards, because I kind of didn't get a chance to end the video properly. We ended up going out to eat, and as I said, Lewis got a nice hotel downtown, and we just had some drinks, relaxed, had a good time. And then the next day I came home, we had Portillo's, had dinner with my family, cut cake and all that, you know, traditional stuff. And then today is Friday. And I'm editing this video to have it up by Saturday, which will be, of course, this video will be up. And I'm also going to be filming another Get Ready With Me Saturday, so that one will probably be up on Sunday, if not Monday the latest, because I will be celebrating this weekend, like again, because it's my official birthday weekend. And Melissa's turning 21 as well, so we're celebrating this weekend. And I don't know if I'm going to be up to editing a video this weekend because it's our 21st birthday, so who knows what's going to happen. But I just want to end this video, you know, properly. And I also want to say thank you guys for the birthday wishes and helping me reach 17,000 subscribers. On my birthday, I woke up to 17,000 subscribers. I think it was at like 17,040 something. And that's just insane to me, and I want to say thank you guys for watching my videos. Sorry, I'm watching The Office, so if you hear the theme song, I'm sorry. But yeah, I do want to say thank you guys for supporting me, whether you've been here from the jump or you've just got here yesterday. Either way, I appreciate you and I love you. So yeah, that's all I really wanted to say, because I feel like I kind of cut the video at like an awkward spot. But yeah. So stay tuned for my second Get Ready With Me, and thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you in my next video. Bye! Oh, almost broke my laptop.